Here with the infamous drone team of Dr. Joaquin Garcia High School. About two trophies, both first place, which is considering that it's their first
So
year.
I believe the drone team started by when Chief asked me last year after the robotics season if I wanted to start or participate in a drone team where we would like fly drones around and we could go to competitions. It would be pretty easy for us to win as not a lot of schools were starting to do it. So I was like, sure, I'll take it on, and I think this is a challenge that I would have liked a lot because of the career I want to pursue later in life.
So what sparked my interest in the drone team was that, so my stepdad has a lot of drones around the house, and he pretty often lets me fly a few of them, like around the house and around the park. So when I figured out that JROTC had a drone team, and it had one of my friends in them, I really wanted to join because I found flying those drones fun. And I wanted to learn how to do it a little more and, maybe meet a few new people in there.
Well, number one, this school is much closer to my home, which gives me more family time. But most importantly, I just wanted a challenge. Starting a program from scratch, I figured would be really interesting. And it's worked out pretty good because we got great cadets that are involved, you know what I mean? And they seem like they're having fun. So that's what this ROTC is really all about.